Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20, and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So at first just slide down the upper bar, and here click on the power icon, and now tap on power off and hold it until you see the notification about rebooting to safe mode. As you can see, here it is, and if you truly want to activate safe mode, in which all third-party applications will be disabled, just tap on safe mode. Now you have to give it a couple of seconds until it's in safe mode. And that's it. As you can see, now you're in safe mode. Here you've got the notification. So just unlock your phone and then check if you have any issues with your applications. So if it's the problem of application or device itself, as you can see, all third-party applications are deactivated. And then to turn off safe mode and go back to the normal one, slide down the upper bar, click on power icon and select restart. Tap again to restart your phone, and within just a couple of seconds you will be back in the normal mode. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode, in the standard one, so enjoy the usage. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.